Hey folks, 𝗪𝘆𝘀 from My Learning Center. Let's talk about what is recession and how to cope with it. A recession is a significant or massive decrease in economic activities. A significant fall in spending generally leads to a recession. Recessions typically happen when there is a worldwide drop in spending. There are various events such as a share price failure, an external trade shock, or an unfortunate crash. Depression is more severe and prolonged than a recession. The main factor of a recession is a decline in demand from consumers, businesses, government, or internationally through lower exports. During a recession, people lose their jobs, businesses decline, stock markets descend, and exchange rates decline. So here are some solutions to an economic recession. Passive income ideas requiring an upfront investment. The leading cause of an economic recession is a decrease in demand within the economy, whether from businesses, consumers, governments, or other nations. If consumer spending has declined, it may be best to reduce taxes. They will give them additional income and allow them to stimulate more spending in the economy. On the other hand, a slowdown in business investment may require lower interest rates to reduce the debt burden. These types of passive income require you to invest money upfront to generate the passive income later. Don't be alarmed though. You can start with as little with some of these ideas, so it is achievable for everyone. It is an excellent money stream source that helps you to generate extra cash flow. With passive income, you do the work first, then collect payment over time, with no further effort required. Even if you want to make a financial investment or start a business centered on passive income, here are some points which are mentioned below. Make a financial investment. This investment provides various options such as mutual funds, a dividend yielding market, and investing in stock market. Pros: high growth potential over time and minimum maintenance. Cons: it may have limited access to funds in the short term, subject to tax requirements. Own a rental property. Rental income is another way to earn extra money. Whether your house has short-term or long-term tenants, this income source comes with all the required maintenance of common home ownership. Pros: it can be a profitable long-term investment. You can earn money as soon as renters move in. Cons: responsible for property maintenance. Only you can earn when you have renters. Self-publishing. In this, you can write a book and sell it online if you have an idea for a story or knowledge. Most people choose their service like Kindle Direct Publishing, which enables you to transform your words into an ebook or print edition and sell it on Amazon. Pros: write something that you feel proud to share. Keep complete control over your creative process. Cons: preparing a book for publication takes a lot of time. We may need to involve in self-promotion and marketing. Sell worksheets. There are several places where you can upload and sell worksheets online. Typically, this work can be over by printable worksheet and you can upload it to a website so that people can pay to download and use your creativity. Pros: inexpensive and easy to create. Utilize your specific knowledge. Cons: it may take time to generate noticeable returns. host websites may charge sales fee. Create online courses. Around in between writing a book, selling worksheets and templates, and many more, you may decide to package the resources you create as an online course. Many people make their content with platforms like Teachable, then host their systems on their website. Pros: highlight your unique knowledge. Package a range of creative contributions. Cons: employment thorough startup process. Need to engage in self-promotion and marketing. Thank you for watching this video. I have prepared a complimentary mini course on the topic, The Lazy Man's Way to Find Out How to Generate Income During Recession. This course is now available on our website, and you can access this course by clicking the link given in description. So grab your copy right now.